Welcome. Let's look at this JAMB PAST question physics 2018 question number 27. In the diagram above, which of the simple pendula will resonate with P when set into oscillation? A. U, B. T, C. R and T, D. Q and R. So this is the diagram showing P. You can see P, pendulum P and pendulum T having the same length. You can see Q, you can see R, you can see S, you can see U. So which of the simple pendula will resonate with P when set into oscillation? You can see that P and T are having the same length, so it's likely that T is the answer to the problem, and that makes option B the right answer to this problem. But before I arrived at this answer, it is pertinent that we know what resonance is whenever you're talking about simple pendulum. What is resonance when you're talking about simple pendulum? Resonance is that very condition when a body is made to vibrate. Whenever you make a body to vibrate on its own natural frequency, then you're talking about frequency, you're talking about resonance. Whenever you make a body to vibrate on its own natural frequency by an external vibrating body, by another body that is vibrating, by an external vibrating body, then you have resonance. So from the figure of this pendulum, you can easily see that P is, when it's vibrating, it's going to impart resonance on T because both of them are having the same length. So it's likely that T will vibrate on its own natural frequency because of the vibration of P. So T is going to vibrate on its own natural frequency because of the vibration of P, and that is why B is the answer, because it's going to make T to resonate. P is going to make T to resonate, and that is the answer to the problem. Thank you.